In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a link into an image with Mailchimp. Open Mailchimp. Once you are inside your account, look over to the left-hand side and select Campaign. This will take you to the area where your email campaigns are stored and managed. Next, open the email campaign you want to work on. When the campaign opens in the Mailchimp Campaign Builder, click Edit Design. This brings you into the email editor, where you can update the content and settings of each section in your email. Now, find the specific image you want to make clickable. Click on the image block that contains that image. This is important because Mailchimp applies the link to the selected content block. So you want to make sure you are editing the correct image before moving on. After selecting the image block, look to the editing panel on the right side of the screen. In that panel, click the link option. In some versions of the editor, you may also see a floating menu with an Add Link option, and you can use that as well. Either way, this is the setting that allows you to attach a destination to the image. Once the link settings open, choose your link type from the drop-down menu. For most cases, if you want the image to open a website or web page, select Web or Web Address. This tells Mailchimp that the image should direct the reader to an online destination. Then paste your destination web address into the link field. Take a second to double-check the full URL so there are no missing characters or formatting issues. A small mistake here can cause the link not to work properly. When everything looks correct, click Save to apply the link to your image. At this point, the image should now be clickable inside your email design. Before you finish, click Preview to test how it works. This step is helpful because it lets you confirm that the image links to the right page and behaves the way you expect. Testing before sending can save you from broken links and improve the experience for your subscribers. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.